Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to categorize expenses properly in QuickBooks. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step, of course, is to understand your chart of accounts. Now, before categorizing, you got to review your chart of accounts so that you know which categories exist, like utilities, office supplies, or travel. Step 2 is to open the expense transactions. Now from your dashboard, go to expense and then select the transaction that you want to categorize. Step 3 is to assign the correct category. In the category field, you're going to pick the account that best matches the expense. Avoid generic labels unless absolutely necessary. Step 4 is to add a description. You're going to include clear notes about the purpose of the expense. This will help during tax preparations and audits. Step 5 is to save your changes. Click Save and Close. Your expense is now categorized and will reflect in reports accordingly. A pro tip is to use bank rules in QuickBooks to automatically categorize recurring expenses because this helps you to save time and of course reduces errors. And that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.